Hello, beautiful people. My name is Tina Aranita, and you're watching Fashion Walk here on Adonai Media. Zizenga zenesa nyudizi jude batokidda kalangweka wereddeko nenyingirawo. Oh, it was a lot of joy. How are you people doing? I know it's been a minute. Oh, obandanikirewa bannange. It's really, we have a lot of catching up, like seriously. Where can I start from now? Where? How's it going to come out? Anyway, hope you guys are really fantastic. Hope you're doing okay. Whatever that you're doing, whatever that you're processing, Jukida, we're almost concluding the Yakatuli Makati. We are in the month of June. Mukulike Heroes Day. Who was your hero? Who was your hero? Is it the president? I really missed you a lot. Naye kyensingira ddala okwagala okubagamba oba okubeebaza nti thank you guys for always loving our media and always keeping it up with Adonai Media. You didn't stop, however much mbadde temukyalaba my show's airing, but you still continued watching others ezibadde zitekebwayo era muziraba nga musupporting. I thank you so very much, people. Thank you so much from wherever you are watching from, Banagi, the international friends, people from Uganda, people in all areas around Uganda, Banagi. Thank you so very much. On behalf of all the Adonai Media team, I'm saying thank you so much for always keeping it up with us, Banagi. Yes, Mustudio Tuja, I told you the last time I was here in Bagamba, anytime from now, anytime from now, Buderango Chusa TV, Otokoa. Please, Tokoa, just continue having that spirit. The God is heaven, now. Wagezako kulaba ku TV, get your remote and try to change 4 channels. Kamanyi oyinza kuba ku Adonai Media nga naffe tuyingiddewo ku screen yo, mu TV yo, oba wonna TV yo weri located mu nnyumba yo. Tujja essaawa yonna. We told you we are here to stay. Yes, we began this and we ain't going nowhere. Yes, twatandika, we are just moving on and on and on. Remember, this show airs every Friday 7 to 7:30 p.m. But then Bagamba, for the newcomer, the new person in our family, welcome. Spread the news to your friends and family and tell them there is a host. Tina Eronica, Fashion Walk. Bagambe munange ebintu bino tuyiga nange njiga. Yes, I may be hosting this program, but I'm also learning a lot. I've really learned a lot from where I started from and where I am right now. I've really tried to learn. I'm not yet perfect, I'm not yet there, but I believe I'll be there. At least I've learned some things. I've learned some tips in makeup. I've learned some tips in dressing. Shoe selection, like at least I've tried to learn. Many now so we are almost making a year, by the way. So from the time we began, at least there's something that you're like, okay, at least I'm perfecting this. At least I'm trying to know my colors. I'm trying to balance, my body shape. Anyway, but it just know I've really missed you. I want to talk. Anyway, today I have a topic. Yes, I have a topic today, and it's going to be a continuous series. Yes, but today I just wanted to bring it up to you so that we can talk about it. You can share with me as well what you think about it. Yes, we always. I'm not bringing this because I'm a woman or I'm a lady, but I believe even the gents, we all love pictures. There is nowhere that you go or somewhere different from your house or from where you stay, or even in your house, not take not a selfie, or you've gone for a function. Of course, you tell the cameraman, or you use your phone. For those that have classic phones, you'll be like, oh, help me take a picture, or you tell a guy with a camera, please help me take a picture. So today we are looking at photography. It is our topic today that I've introduced. I'm not hosting the person today. The person will be hosted next Friday. But I just wanted to bring it up to Chongereko, so I should tell me how do you find photography? I personally, I love pictures. Yes, I love nice pictures. You know, I'm always even careful when I'm going to post a picture. So can because I want something perfect. Okay, it can't be 100% perfect, but at least I want the best of it. Jagala nange netunulireko maaso eyo. I'd be like, oh, this was a nice picture. Oh, this was a nice shot. Oh, this was a lovely one. You get so. I love pictures for one. They bring out, like, they create memories. There's something you can't forget. Once you take a picture, let me say you've gone for a birthday or you've gone for a wedding, maybe you're hosting, like me, I'm hosting a big event or a brand's fashion events, you know. Of course you take a picture. You be like, okay, in 2019 I took this picture and I'm comparing it to maybe the way I am looking in 2022. You know, they just bring up the memories, and you know, this is something that you can't do without on a function. Yes, kuba tosobola kubeera na birthday party, tosobola kubeera na mbaga, tosobola kubeera na kuyingira or any function and you don't take pictures. Come on, or videography. You can't. What are you going to look at in the future? What are you going to show your kids? What are you going to show your grandkids? You have to do this or watch it. So I brought this up ngajagala wekenyini now mulabi ongambeko, like, what is it that you like about, what is it that you would love to ask the photographer, or what is it that you want to know more about photography, like what do they use, what equipments do they use. Waliwo munange waliwo nakoze era njagala mubuuze njamubuuza. There is, like, when you're, or when one is going for a photo shoot, or when one is doing a photo shoot, I normally see behind the scenes with some videographers or photographers, there's something they put, like kabanga silver netano jakunyamba, they put it down, nibakuba ekifaananyi, it brings out oba ebeereeta light oba ereeta kibanange. I'm also yet to find out. I'm so anxious because of course I'll be taking some pictures. I can't miss out. Nange zenabagamba okweyagaliza kutandikira wange nekujja nange nekunemba weereza, because come on, the host. So I would love to know more, I personally, and be like, okay, what do you use? What time do you take to edit? Or manino editing takes a lot of time, by the way. Most people, actually, I've asked a bit, some few friends, TV, they be like, oh, editing. They can take nice pictures, or but it will be editing. It will be forever, you know. So I would also want to ask this person, like, how long does it take for a picture to be edited? Why is it that watch kubira wechigwera, you know? Once you take it, it's done. Why do you have to edit? Why do you have to remove some mistakes? Like, why? We are yet to know all that. Please don't forget to always catch up. Sagalo Misinge, I've introduced this to you. Photography and videography is what we are looking at. Yes, I'm having in some messages already. Oh, Maria, at night. I'll buy you a plane, Maria. She's like, oh, Tina, thank you so much for bringing up the photography and videography topic. Yes, me, I would love to know, like, can I always have pictures without makeup? As long as you've paid for it and that's what you want. And I believe what Fifi told me about it. Mary Kim told me about it. That, like, clients chayagala chibawa. You know, these service providers, once bawuliriza nnyo, era wofuna nga service provider nga takuwuliriza, like tawuliriza choyagala, then that person is not right for your service. At least it needs someone who is a good listener, be it the cake, the baker, be the decorator, or the sound person, whoever is going to do this for your function or anything. The person has to be ready to listen to you, because they need a referral, they need you to bring more clients. So anyway, I'm bringing this up. I don't know, but Mary Kim told me about Nagamatina. That's when we come in. But when someone comes, now comparing, me too, this is what I want for my pre-wedding photo shoot, or this is what I want for my Kwanjula, you know, this is the type of videography that I want, you know. It is it's the client's choice, I believe. Era ajja kuba tubulira this photographer. Tujja mubuuza tumugambe, do you listen to your clients? Because I think that's key to every service provider. It is, besides wanting the money or besides receiving the money, at least you have to listen to your client. Muwulirize. Wagamba nti nomanyi Nathan, kino ekifaananyi wanzimbiza nnyo, please listen, ate tonyiga, tofuna naawe n'ogamba waŋŋamba ng'atya, because abakuwadde ssente ze asuubira nti you're going to do the best. Yes. Then I'm having in another message from Danger. Hi Tina, welcome back. We missed you. Thank you so much for the show, and I would love to know how much can someone use to hire a videography or photographer, or a video person or photographer. I don't know. I really don't know about the prices, but we shall find out from this special person that we shall host next Friday, not today. Today, I just want us to engage in a talk. We talk about it, so that you tell me about it. Kuba, I always want us to engage. But I got to dialogue. But I believe you're there viewing. You send in your comments. You send me messages to Labe. It's your caller. I will ask the person, because I'll be with you on the show next Friday. Yes, many bejo jakubera koso. Jachuko adding echibuzo mugambe kakati level. What does it take, or what does it need for someone to hire a videographer or photographer on a function? Because waliwo abamu abagala special services, katayagala kukola photo shoot maybe in a different place, kayagala the person to come home, or nga yalina wayagala privately, katayagala ku studio. So we are going to find out all that, my darlings. Don't worry. Then I'm having in another message from Melissa. Hi Tina, thank you for the show. Welcome back. I really missed you. Oh, thank you so much, Melissa. I missed you too. I really missed you too, by the way. Yes, and a lot. We shall be seeing a lot of things, by the way. And must say I want to meet some other people, like events planners, decorators, so that we can have a chat with them. Omani okubanga, this is all about planning. That's why I call this fashion walk. We walk fashion to Tumblr normally, we want to Tumblr no mutindo. Yes, so we have to know this. Okubanga onyumye, oba kubanga oyambadde makeup omulungi, oba kubanga otaddeko accessory nnungi, ekikomaawo, you have to also know those people, Yes, at one time you will meet them, at least bamanye, kale oyinza okuba nga tokozesezza abo bennyini benyinza okuleeta, but at least you can have an idea. You'll be like, okay, this is what I need to do when I'm to do a decoration on my event. This is what I need to do. This is what I need to do when I'm going for a photo shoot. This is what I need to do when I'm going for maybe a makeup treat, At least bikubeeramu, and you'll be like, okay, this is what I learned. I watched Tina's show, or I watched TV and I saw this, so please help me do this. Omanyi obanga, at least you have an idea about something. Tebakutomeza nnyo. At least oba omanyi nti wensiba dread zigenda faanana bwe bati. Wensiba maybe a piece, or oba bwemba nyambadde wig, this is how it's going to look like. When nyambala nails that features kigenda kola bwe. Kugamba, at least you have to have a clue on everything. Yes. Not only learning how to wear manyanti nze wenteekako block yange wali wansi bunch maze no, you have to also know this. Ebirala byonna byonna kasabibwa nga biri mu fashion, ebimuli nabyo bwe nabireeta, someone was like, Tina, since when are flowers part of fashion? Nemugamba, my dear, they are. Anything that is a luxury, because flowers are luxurious, so they have to be part of fashion. My dear. Yes, so Kati, that's why I'm bringing up this Kati photography maybe next week part 1, because we are still looking at it till next week. Maybe next week part 1 but I want us to continue keeping it up. Please Tokowa and Nathan Sembe, thank you so much for keeping it up with us. Thank you. Not everyone gets the time, but every chance that I get to be behind this camera, I'm like, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the trust. Thank you so much. I'm really getting emotional. I really miss my friends. Senior 6, senior 5. that's cool, but I really miss them a lot. I sent shout outs. Manyi mujja busanga bu video mbatumira nnyo. I missed you a lot because man, those guys those guys just really shower me with a lot of love. Nga bayiza Tina, watch our friend, what? Nga bapostinga links mu video group, like mu groups zaabwe ez'enjawulo, ku pages zaabwe, Facebook, ku Instagram. Those people. Mukama, the heaven is the goal anyway. But this has been a short show, yes. But we are looking at photography and videography. We are still looking at it till next Friday. Yes. Manyi wentani kokendeza eddoboozi omanya either nsiibula oba njagala kunywa kajuice. But till we meet again next Friday, we shall be. But tujakuwa tuchigaziamu a bit because we have a lot of questions. So what of course the nyingi mpulira messages nyingi ezijja, but more questions will be thrown to the photographer. But tunaba tu questions next Friday. It is me, Tina Eronita, still on Adonai Media. Ate kirala bambi era before I get on njagala kakusigalemu about our social media handles. yes we have like a home, yes, our main home, that is our application Adonai Media Connect. I think it's the easiest. Just go to your Play Store, get it, download it, and get everything. We're talking about kasofuna Adonai Media Connect ubuki maze buli show ojja kuba olaba fashion ngeze, kids talk show ngeze, kuba mbuzi ngeze, sports arena ngeze, ensi n'ebyewuunyisa ngeze, like it is the easiest way of watching us. Yes. Like on Facebook, actually, you can follow us as well on Adonai TV. You can follow me, Tina Eronita, on Instagram and Tina Eronita on Facebook. Yes. Thank you so much for being good. Thank you so much for being good viewers. I am good host. It's me that has been the host. Anyway, till we meet again next Friday. Bye.